So in this video I am gonna cook some saltfish and ackee for breakfast. So this is some fresh ackees that I'm gonna clean up. So the saltfish is currently boiling to remove the excess salt. So I'm gonna boil it for like 5 minutes. Then rinse it with tap water and then shred it using my hands or my fingers. The 1 dozen ackee that I pick and clean and wash. And this is the boiling water that is 2 cups boiling water with ½ teaspoon of salt. Now I am gonna cook the ackee for at least 10-15 minutes. This is the fresh herbs that I cut up in the meantime. This is piece of ripe sweet pepper and this is red, just a small piece. And this is 1 stalk scallion, half of 1 large onion, 1 small hot pepper, 1 clove garlic. Yes, so that's basically it. This is what I'm gonna saute. Now this is the saltfish that is shredded. So I'm gonna remove these bones. So the ackee is cooked. It is cooked. So I am gonna turn off the heat. I have a skillet on medium low heat and I added around 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm gonna saute it just a bit. Make sure that the heat is on medium low because we don't want the seasoning to burn. Just keep it on medium, mostly low than medium. Just put it on low. Keep the heat on low. So I'm gonna saute the seasoning until they are translucent. So the seasoning is cooked. And the saltfish start. I'm gonna saute it for like 2 minutes before adding the ackee. Gonna add the ackee. Black pepper, around 1/8 teaspoon. The ackee finish. So this is the real ackee or saltfish. Yes man, coming from a real Jamaican in Jamaica. May I show you how real Jamaican cook ackee. Now, a lot of people who live outside of Jamaica, them like when them ackee whole in them plate. You understand what I say? Them like when them can pick out like 1 ackee pad out of the plate. Jamaicans in a Jamaica don't like ackee. So most Jamaicans, they know like when you ackee mash. A bit like how this mash. But at the end of the day, it's up to you or you are going to eat it. But me, I show you how we do it in Jamaica. This is exactly how you will get your ackee. When you come to Jamaica, go eat ackee. Unless you say to the person, say, I don't like it when it mash. So they will cook the whole of ackee here. You understand? And this is what we call season oil. As we say in Jamaica, aisle see the season oil around down in the pot. When you cook your ackee, you have to have like a oil we call season oil when them eat the ackee with. I'm going to end the video here. Now, let me tell you something. You know me not gonna eat none of this though because I don't eat ackee. So this is not for me, I'm not gonna eat any. And let me tell you something. For men who reach the age of 60 and beyond trying to eat too much ackee, it will trouble your prostate because you know the ackee is fat, right? Yes, ackee is fat, but according to doctor it is good fat. Yeah man, thanks for watching. The video I got a little shaky still now, but just bear with me and